10 Life Lessons You Can Learn from Billionaires. Billionaires can teach us valuable lessons about success and achieving our goals. One key lesson is the importance of taking calculated risks and embracing failure as a learning opportunity. Many billionaires have failed multiple times before finding success, but they didn't let those failures hold them back. Another lesson is to focus on creating value and solving problems for others. By doing so, you can build a business or career that truly makes a difference in people's lives. Continuously learning and staying curious about the world is another trait common among successful billionaires. They prioritize their health and well-being to maintain their energy and focus, and they surround themselves with people who inspire and challenge them. Finally, many billionaires give back to their community and make a positive impact in the world. These lessons can help anyone achieve success and make a meaningful impact in their own lives and in the lives of others. Here are some key life lessons that can be learned from billionaires. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. 1. Take calculated risks and be willing to fail. Taking calculated risks is an important lesson that can be learned from billionaires. It means being willing to step outside of your comfort zone and pursue opportunities that have the potential for success, even if they come with some level of risk. However, it's also important to assess the risks carefully and have a plan in place for dealing with potential failures. Being willing to fail means accepting that setbacks and mistakes are a natural part of the learning process. Failure can provide valuable lessons that help you to improve and grow, and it can ultimately lead to greater success in the future. 2. Focus on creating value for others. Another important life lesson that can be learned from billionaires is to focus on creating value for others. Successful billionaires often achieve their success by providing goods or services that meet a need or solve a problem for others. By focusing on creating value for others, they build businesses and careers that are sustainable and fulfilling. This requires a deep understanding of the needs and desires of your target audience, as well as a commitment to delivering quality and excellence in everything you do. Whether you are an entrepreneur, a professional, or a student, focusing on creating value for others can help you to build a meaningful and rewarding career or life. 3. Continuously learn and stay curious about the world. Continuously learning and staying curious about the world is a critical life lesson that can be learned from billionaires. Successful individuals are often lifelong learners who seek out new information, skills, and perspectives. This allows them to stay ahead of the curve in their industries and to adapt to changing circumstances and emerging trends. Staying curious about the world means asking questions, seeking out new experiences, and challenging your assumptions. It can lead to new insights and ideas, and ultimately help you to grow and develop as a person. By embracing a mindset of continuous learning and curiosity, you can remain engaged and energized in your work and your life. 4. Surround yourself with inspiring and challenging individuals. Surrounding yourself with inspiring and challenging individuals is another important life lesson that can be learned from billionaires. Successful individuals recognize the importance of building a strong network of supportive and motivated individuals who can provide guidance, support, and feedback. By surrounding themselves with people who inspire and challenge them, they are able to push themselves to new heights and achieve even greater success. This requires seeking out mentors and colleagues who share your values and goals, and who can offer different perspectives and insights. It also means being willing to step outside of your comfort zone and engage with people who may have different backgrounds or experiences. 5. Set clear goals and develop a plan to achieve them. Setting clear goals and developing a plan to achieve them is another important life lesson that can be learned from billionaires. Successful individuals often have a clear vision for what they want to achieve, and they develop a plan to make it happen. This requires breaking down larger goals into smaller, more manageable steps, and setting specific timelines and milestones to track progress. By setting clear goals and developing a plan, you can create a roadmap for success that helps you to stay focused and motivated. 6. Prioritize your health and well-being to maintain your energy and focus. Prioritizing your health and well-being is another important life lesson that can be learned from billionaires. Successful individuals recognize the importance of taking care of their physical and mental health in order to maintain their energy and focus. This means developing healthy habits such as regular exercise, healthy eating, and getting enough sleep. It also means taking time for self-care activities such as meditation or mindfulness practices, hobbies, and spending time with loved ones. By prioritizing your health and well-being, you can improve your ability to focus, be more productive, and achieve your goals more effectively. 7. Persist through obstacles and setbacks. Persisting through obstacles and setbacks is another important life lesson that can be learned from billionaires. Successful individuals understand that setbacks and challenges are a natural part of the journey to success, and that overcoming them requires persistence, determination, and resilience. This means not giving up in the face of adversity, but instead pushing through obstacles and finding new ways to overcome them. It also means learning from failures and mistakes, and using them as opportunities to grow and improve. 8. Be adaptable to changing circumstances. Being adaptable to changing circumstances is another important life lesson that can be learned from billionaires. Successful individuals understand that the world is constantly changing, and that staying ahead requires the ability to adapt to new circumstances and emerging trends. This means being flexible and open-minded, and willing to pivot and adjust course when necessary. It also means being proactive and forward-thinking, anticipating potential challenges and opportunities, and developing strategies to respond to them. 9. Work hard and make sacrifices to achieve your goals. Working hard and making sacrifices to achieve your goals is another important life lesson that can be learned from billionaires. Successful individuals understand that achieving success requires dedication, hard work, and sacrifice. This means being willing to put in long hours and make difficult choices in order to achieve your objectives. It also means being disciplined and focused, and avoiding distractions that can derail your progress. By working hard and making sacrifices, you can demonstrate your commitment to your goals, and build the skills and knowledge necessary to succeed. 10. Give back to the community and make a positive impact in the world. Giving back to the community and making a positive impact in the world is another important life lesson that can be learned from billionaires. Successful individuals recognize the importance of using their wealth, influence, and resources to make a difference in the lives of others. This means supporting charitable causes and organizations, volunteering their time and expertise, and advocating for issues that they care about. By giving back to the community, you can help to create a more just and equitable society, and make a positive impact in the world. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing information about motivation, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.